Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 鵬。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today let's talk about colors. You know, that's very simple, very basic, and we might have taught a few colors in the past, but let's teach more today. 其实颜色是一个非常基本都会教的一个生字啊，对不对
OK
第一个先教怎么说颜色。How do you say color?
Set
就是色这样子而已哈。Set, okay, that's color. 要教所有的颜色也太长了哦。我们从这个最基本上呢，就是有蓝、黄跟红嘛。So let's go with the basic colors: blue, yellow, and red.
藍色
that's blue.
黃色
that's yellow.
紅色
that's red. 藍黃紅，對不對？就是藍黃紅了。
對，那海陸腔，藍色
okay, that's a different dialect for blue. 那黃跟紅應該也是有不一樣的講法，對不對？黃色這是黃色。風色 that's 紅色。黃跟紅很容易搞混對不對？風是黃，風紅瘋掉了，所以就想到
瘋掉了，那不能這樣講。
沒有啊，因為瘋掉會感覺紅色比較像那樣子，這樣我會記得啦。
那我就給你來個黑色好了。
也要教黑色跟白色 ，but let's also teach you how to say black and white。對，這也是很重要的兩個顏色啊。
對啊，
黑白。
黑色就是無色。
Okay, that's black。
那白色是白色。
白色。白黑白色，好像白。白色 that's white. Let's create a sentence out of one of these terms right here. 就顏色啦哈。通常有時候會問，你喜歡什麼顏色嘛 ？What color do you like? 隔衣馬給色 That was what color do you like? Okay, 隔衣就是喜歡，
對呀，
介意嘛，
對，很像，
跟台語很像，對。然後馬給色就是什麼顏色？There you go. Let's review these terms. 顏色怎麼說 ？Set. Then you have 藍色、黃色、紅色。
藍、黃、紅。
Okay, that's 藍、黃、紅。
Yes.
Okay, blue, yellow, and red. And finally, black and white. 黑白。Vu Pak 真的好像在玩遊戲了，你知道嗎？ Vu Pak is black and white. There you go. That does for today's Practical Hakka, all about colors.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.